Okay, good afternoon, fifth class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fifth class, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. Okay. Yesterday we have completed lesson number 2 of our English reader Shadows, right? Okay, fifth class.
Ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. We have completed chapter number 2, Shadows of our English reader book yesterday in the last class. Okay, this we completed, right? And today we will be discussing the question and answers also and the back exercises of this lesson. Okay? Okay, I'll unmute few students. Anik, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, Angel, Bhavya, Harshit. Okay, there should be no disturbance from your side. Okay, there should be no disturbance from your side now. Okay, we have done this lesson yesterday. We completed it, and today we will be starting with the back exercise of this lesson, and we'll also discuss the question and answers. Okay. Okay. Now, first we will be starting with the question and answers. What is a tag game? Anybody who would like to give the answer, you can only raise your hand. What is a tag game? Anybody who knows what is a tag game? See, this answer of this question can be easily found on page number 10. What is a tag game? A tag game is a chasing game, okay, in which the player who chases is called the it, and he chases the other members of the team. And
Ma'am,
when anyone is get touched, it becomes the it who in turn has to touch the other players of the team.
मैम
Is
हमें
it clear?
करना है कॉपी में मैम हमें कॉपी
No,
में
you
करना
don't have to. No, we are only discussing.
है
Okay, we are only discussing. We'll do later. Okay. Next is who is called it in a tag game? Who is called it?
मैम who chases the other
Okay, very good. The player who chases the other members of the team is called the it in a tag game. Very good. Okay. Next one is how do you play shadow tag? Anybody who knows how do
in
we play shadow tag?
in this game the player who is it tries to step on the shadow of one of the other players.
Okay. And also this games requires an
Umpire.
okay, it requires an umpire who decides whether it has stepped on the shadow of the other team members or not. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Name the two things which are needed to make a shadow. Two things which are
Ma'am,
needed.
light and someone who blocks the light. Sunshine.
Very good. Very
Sunshine.
good. Light
Someone
and
who blocks
something which blocks the
the light.
light. Okay, very good. How do shadows change their size and shape?
Um,
How do shadows change their size and shape?
according to sun.
Anyone, not all together. Anyone?
According to the something who blocks the light. According to sun.
Wait. One by one. Anik, you try, then Aryan will try. Okay, both of you. Say, Anik, start.
Something that blocks the light. If it changes its size and shape, the shadow will change.
Okay. How do the shadow change their size and shape? Aryan, you try.
Ma'am, according to sunlight.
Okay. The shadow changes their size and shape according to the position from where the source of light is coming, or according to the position where the sun is in the sky, whether it is on the top, overhead, or it is on the either side. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good one. Very good try, both of you. How can there be a shadow at night?
Yes.
Ma'am, with moonlight. Ma'am, with moonlight. Ma'am, with
And moonlight and roadside light.
street light.
Okay, very good. How can there be a shadow at night? There can be a shadow of the night if there is the moonlight or the
Or a
street
street
light
light.
beaming through the window. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is list four sources of the light which are named in this lesson. Any four sources of light?
House light, sunshine,
Sunlight,
house light,
light,
street light, sunshine,
Let Harshit try.
light,
Okay, let
sunlight,
Harshit try.
moonlight, house light, street light.
Okay. Harshit, okay.
house light.
The right answer is light, sunlight, moonlight, and the street light. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now come to page number 13 of your books. Shadows, page number 13. Okay. Now you have to give exercise number 2. It is shadows can change their shape. True or false?
True.
Ma'am, true.
True.
The first is true. You all can fill it right now. Second one, you can play shadow tag all alone.
Ma'am, false.
False.
False. Okay, false. Third one, you can't see any shadow at night.
Ma'am, false.
False.
False. Then the fourth one is shadow and shade means the same thing.
Yes, ma'am. True.
Yes, ma'am.
True.
It is actually false. Actually, it is false because shade is the darkness of an object, only the dark part of an object, not in the direct light. But when we talk about shadow, it is the silhouette. Silhouette means outline. Okay, it is the outline of an object's shape on the another surface. So when we talk about any difference between shade and shadow, we can say yes, there is difference between the no, they do not mean the same thing. Actually, there is a difference between the shade and shadow. Okay. Then something must block the light to make a shadow. Very good.
True.
Sixth one, a shadow is the same size as the object making it.
True.
False.
False. It is
False.
false. Okay. And the seventh one is
False.
when the sun is overhead, the shadow is long and skinny.
False.
Ma'am, false.
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 Okay. Okay. Very good. Come to exercise number 3. You have to tick the right box matching with its meaning. Okay. The word block means 3 options are given. Any one option. You can read it and tell me. The word blocks mean
To keep something from passing through.
okay. Very good, Angel.
Piece of wood is something from metal.
Okay. The right option is first one. To keep something from passing through. The first is third, multiple choice exercise number 3. First is A option. Option number first one, to keep something from passing through. It is known as to block. Okay. Second, the word tag means
Children's game.
very good.
To
Okay. It is
Follow
children's
behind
game.
someone.
It is a children game to follow closely behind someone. A piece of. It is a children game, we can say. Okay. Next is the word light means
Something that
Moving easily. Moving easily. Moving
light.
easily.
What
Something
does
that
the light
lets
mean? Us?
moving
Yes.
easily. Something that lets us see more easily.
Yeah, something that let us see more easily. Okay. Next is the word bump means
collide with. To collide with.
To
to
raise
collide,
something above the ground.
to say something about the ground. No, it is fourth one. To bump mean is to collide.
With.
Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Now next page, you can come to page number 14. Page number 14. Find from the lesson the opposite of the following words. Rarely. You can find out the word which is opposite of this following word rarely, and it is given on page number 10. What is the opposite of rarely given on page number 10? Anybody? It is given on the very first line.
Chasing.
Anybody?
Chasing.
No. Chasing is a game.
Ma'am,
No.
often. Ma'am, often.
Often. Very good. It is often.
Often.
First, it is often opposite. Because I told you often means frequently, zyadatar. Okay. And rarely means very seldom. That is not much time, not many times. Okay. Second is leads,
Ma'am, chases.
chases, leads,
Chases.
chases. Okay. Third, darkness. It is given on page number 11. Darkness. Opposite of darkness given on page number 11.
Ma'am, sunshine.
Sunshine. Ma'am, bright.
Darkness.
Ma'am,
Light.
bright.
Light. Darkness, light. Okay. Dull. You can give the opposite of dull. You can find out it is on given on page number 11. Dull. Opposite of dull given on page number 11. Tanishka, you can also find out.
Ma'am, bright.
Very good. It is bright.
Bright.
Bright. Bright. Okay. Next is together. Page number 11.
Alone.
Search you.
Alone.
Alone. It's alone. Very good. Come to the sixth one.
Ma'am, outside.
Outside.
Outside. It is given on page number 11. Outside. 7.
Different.
Same. Very good.
Different.
Different. 8th one. Skinny.
Fat.
Opposite.
Fat.
Very good.
Fat.
It is fat. Long.
That's short.
Short.
Short. Very good. Next, 10th one is familiar. Familiar means something what we know about, or we know very much well about anybody or anything.
Ma'am, strange.
Very good. It is strange. Strange. And the strange word is given in the second paragraph, first line. Strange. Shadow. Okay, we get frightened by a strange shadow. Got it, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, exercise number 2 of this page 14. We have to choose one word from one block and the second word from the second block, and we have to form the compound word out of it. That is one word from one block, second from second, and then we have to form one compound words. Now, what
Ma'am,
are
first is
compound words?
outside.
Notebook.
Ma'am, first
Ma'am,
is
first is
Yeah.
outside.
ma'am, first is outside.
Wait,
Ma'am,
one by
outside.
one by one.
A notebook.
The first one is out.
Ma'am, bedroom. Ma'am, outside.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
side.
outside.
Outside.
Ma'am, outside.
Okay.
Bedroom.
Ma'am,
Wait
bedroom.
a minute. Okay, all of you not together. One by one. Exercise 2, first it is outside. Second one is?
Ma'am, bedroom.
Ma'am, bedroom.
Second is bedroom. One by one.
Ma'am,
One
overhead.
by one.
Overhead. Ma'am, overhead.
Overhead.
Sunshine. Ma'am,
I will
Sunshine.
mute you all. Fifth class, I will mute you all if you will speak all together. Overhead. Then the fourth one is?
sunshine.
Sunshine. Okay. Fifth one is?
Something. Ma'am,
Something.
Very good. Something.
Notebook.
Notebook.
And the last one is notebook.
Notebook.
Okay. Last one is notebook. Okay. All those who are writing these answers, write down quickly. Everybody write down quickly. All those who are writing. Okay, in the third exercise, you have to frame sentences using any four of these compound words. This is the homework for you all. Okay. Children are playing outside.
Outside.
Okay,
Ma'am,
but you have to do this yourself.
The sun is overhead.
Okay. But very good. Sun is overhead at noon. You have to do this
sleep
all
in
yourself.
bedroom.
You have to do this exercise yourself because everybody can frame the sentences of their own choice. Okay, this you all have to do it yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, come to exercise number 4 on page number 15. Exercise number 4. Okay, Rajesh, are you marking these answers? Are you marking? Unmute yourself, Rajesh. Okay, show me your copy. Show me your work. Where you have written, show me. Let me see your work, Rajesh. Okay. Then come to exercise number 4. There are words given in the list. There are 14 words given, and you have to choose the another word from each of the from the block provided. Okay, and the word should be similar in meaning. Which is the another word in the box help box provided, which is similar to the first word? Try.
Ma'am, attempt.
Very good. Attempt. Very good. The first is attempt. The word which is similar to the meaning try is attempt. Second is often.
Frequently.
Exercise 4. First is attempt.
Ma'am, frequently.
Very good.
Frequently.
Second is frequently. Third one is block. Very good.
Ma'am, stop.
Very good. It is stop. Fourth one is game.
Ma'am, sport.
Very good. It is sport. Fifth one is chase.
Ma'am, follow.
Which is the word? Follow. Very good.
And follow.
It is follow. Sixth one is
Area.
space.
Area.
Very good. Area.
Figure.
Seventh one is
Figure.
very good. Shape. Figure.
Figure.
Figure. Figure. Come to the eighth one.
Ma'am, shiny.
Bright.
Ma'am,
Very good.
shiny.
It is shiny. Shiny. Okay, it's shining. It's not shiny, it is shining.
Ma'am,
Okay.
thin. Ma'am, thin.
Okay.
Thin.
Then the next one is
Thin. Thin.
skinny.
Ma'am,
Thin.
thin.
Very good. Thin. 10th one.
Ma'am, choose.
Ma'am,
Decide.
decide.
Choose.
Choose.
Very good. Choose. 11th one is
Umpire,
umpire. Referee.
referee.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
require, need.
Very good. Require. Need. Very good. 13th one is
Ma'am, strange,
strange.
odd.
Odd. Very
Odd.
good.
And
Odd.
ma'am, flashlight, torch.
Very good. Flashlight means
Torch.
Is it clear to everybody? All
Yes,
those who are writing, do it quickly. You all can do it. Harshit, are you writing in your book?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, I have done.
Very good. Everybody do it. Who has entered by the name Pankaj Jetwani? Okay. Are you writing? Show me your book if you are writing. Okay. Very good. Now next exercise number 5. It is you have to put the words provided in the alphabetical order. It is the same as the one which we have done in the grammar. The first chapter was alphabetical order, right? There are few words given and you have to put them in the alphabetical order which comes first.
Ma'am, first is shade.
Ma'am, first shade.
Ma'am,
Very good.
second
First
shadow.
one is, wait,
Ma'am,
one by one.
Shadow.
Wait, Aryan, Anik, wait a minute. Let others also write. First is shade. Second is shadow.
Shadow. Shadow.
And then the third one is
shade.
Shade. Ma'am, shade.
okay.
Ma'am, shade.
Okay.
Ma'am, sharp. Ma'am, sharp.
Third
Ma'am,
one is
fourth.
shape.
Oh,
Third
Ma'am,
one
sharp.
is shape. Fourth one is
Ma'am, sharp.
sharp. Fifth
Ma'am,
one is
fifth one is
Ma'am,
ship.
short. Ma'am, short.
ship. It is ship.
And
And
ma'am,
the
sixth
sixth one
one
is
is short.
Ma'am, short.
okay. The sixth one is short. Is it clear? Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Yes, Harshit, what happened?
Ma'am, I want to give answer next.
Okay, you can
Ma'am,
give.
we can start next question.
Okay, yes. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Now, let the one those who are doing copy them. First was shape, shadow, shape, sharp, ship, and short. Okay, done, everybody?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good, Angel. Okay, the next one is it is a grammar exercise, and in this, there are given countables and uncountable nouns. Now,
Ma'am,
as
can I
we
give?
know what are countable nouns and uncountable, the nouns which can be counted are countable nouns, and the one which cannot be counted are uncountable. For example, books,
Ma'am, dog.
Ma'am, books
books,
countable.
People.
pens, pencil,
Ma'am, table.
pencils, trees, tables which can be counted are countable, and the one which cannot be counted are milk,
Sugar,
Ma'am,
water.
sugar,
ma'am, here.
water,
Ma'am, here.
hair. Okay, all these which cannot be counted are uncountable now. Okay,
Ma'am, butter.
apart from the, wait a minute. Apart from this, we can, along with this, I would like to also tell you that, okay, can you see at the board, countable and uncountable now? We
Yes, ma'am.
use a and an. We use an article a and an. Anyone, we use a or an article with a singular countable noun. See, if instead of books, I write book. Now this book is a singular countable noun. This is one and countable also. So we will put an article a or an before it. A book. Pen. Pen is countable. Okay, first it is countable and second it is singular. So we will put a pen. So to use this article a and, we got to see that the noun should be singular and it should be countable. Is it clear to everybody? It should be singular and it also should be countable. We cannot write a milk. It is wrong because neither we cannot, this milk is uncountable also and it is not, it doesn't mean single. Okay. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Angel, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, coming back to exercise of grammar first on page number 15. Come back to this exercise, page number 15. Okay. See, there is a table given in which you have to write down names of any 5 countable and uncountable noun of your own choice. Okay, Angel wants to give the answer. Let me try. Angel, unmute yourself, Angel.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answers of 5 countable nouns. You can write, everybody can write down of your own choice.
Ma'am, books. Ma'am, book, pencil, मैम इरेजर शार्पनर मैम बहुत सारे होते हैं
बहुत सारे होते हैं, but you give me only 5. Book, pencil,
Ma'am,
sharpener,
book.
eraser, and apart from that, book, pencil,
Table.
sharpener, eraser, table,
Table.
leaf, key, story,
Ma'am,
box,
people. Ma'am, people.
money.
money. No, money. Money is, yes, it is an uncountable noun. Okay. Next is uncountable. Come to the uncountable noun.
Ma'am, hair, cheese,
Hair.
water, sugar, butter. Ma'am, air.
Ear,
Air,
Sand.
cheese, butter.
Sand.
Ma'am, hair. Ma'am, cheese, butter.
Okay.
Salt.
Very good.
Water,
Okay, very good.
sugar.
Okay, I got it. Water, sugar, milk, earth, air, friendship, all these are the examples of uncountable nouns. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harshit?
Ma'am, money uncountable क्यों है?
Money actually is uncountable. See, if I take this milk, now when I am referring to this milk, it is uncountable. Okay, you all can look here, everybody. When I say milk, see, I am writing here milk. And when I say milk, it is uncountable now because we cannot count milk. But now I am using a glass of milk. Now again, I am referring to this milk. But this milk is only now only 1 glass. Okay, milk है, but वो किस में आ गया है? Glass में आ गया. And glass is 1. अब इस milk को हमने change कर दिया. When we say glass of milk, we are meaning only 1 glass if we are writing a. Is it clear? Now, when we say money, money means money can be lots of money. Okay, but we refer to it as 1 rupee note. Then we are referring to one, then it becomes countable now.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can do
Now
16 page number.
come to page number 16, exercise number 2. In this, there are few words given in the help box: jug, salt, sand, spoon, and so on. So many words are given in this help box, and along with that, the pictures are also given. Okay, you have to write down the table or complete the table which is given below. Along with it, that along with the names of these noun, you have to put a, and, or do not if it is an uncountable noun. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first one is look to the picture and then answer. Okay, Angel, you can give first one.
Ma'am, sand.
Okay.
Ma'am, salt.
Sand is uncountable, so we will not write a sand, we'll write only sand. It's sand. Second one, read out, Angel.
Spoon.
Ma'am, spoon.
Okay. It's a spoon. Very good. Spoon is one, so we have written a spoon. Come to the third one.
Ma'am, a jug. Ma'am, a jug. Ma'am, a jug.
It's a jug. Jug can be counted, so we have used a jug. Third one is a
Salt.
jug.
Ma'am, salt.
It's salt.
Salt.
Ma'am,
Salt. It's salt. Uncountable noun, so we will not write a or an before it. Third one, fifth one
An
is
egg.
Ma'am,
An
an
egg.
egg.
very
Ma'am,
good.
an egg. Ma'am, an egg.
An egg.
Egg.
So
An egg.
because it is a egg is a word, it is a noun which is starting with the letter E, so we have used N. Okay.
Ma'am, milk.
Next one,
Ma'am,
sixth.
Milk.
It's only milk because it is uncountable. Come to the seventh one.
A watch.
a
Very
watch.
good.
watch.
Very good. A watch. Then the eighth one,
Ma'am, a envelope. An
a
envelope.
envelope.
Ma'am, an envelope. Ma'am,
An
an
envelope.
envelope.
Envelope. Ninth one,
A bucket.
a bucket. A bucket.
A toothbrush.
Tenth one,
A
a
toothbrush.
toothbrush.
A toothbrush.
Ma'am, a Colgate.
A Colgate. Ma'am, a toothpaste.
Ma'am,
It's
ma'am, money.
a toothpaste. Very good, Aaron.
A money.
Toothpaste. A
Ma'am,
money.
money. Ma'am, money.
Ma'am, only
Money. I told you the difference right now. It's money. Okay. Everybody got it? It's money.
Yes.
Okay. Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Done with this. Also, the one who have, I hope everybody has completed this back exercise. Also, the one who has not been able to do, I will share the PDF with you also. Okay. Is it clear to everybody? I am going to share the screen with you. You can take the screenshot. Is it clear for the one who have not done? Okay. Can you all see the screen? Can you all see the screen? Aaron, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. You all can take the screenshot. See, in the first question, you have to write down the word meanings in the copy. Which word meanings? All the word meanings which are given in the book itself. Okay.
Ma'am, hard words of this chapter.
I'll provide you. They are after this question and answers. You will get it. Take the screenshot of the first page.
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. This is the second page. You all can take the screenshot of this also. This is all the work which we have discussed right now in the class. Okay, everything is what we have done in the class right now. Taken, everybody? This is the third page.
मम्मा मैं इतना अच्छा आंसर दे रहा हूँ, तुमने अभी तक खोल तो है। तो है।
Okay, then this is the one, the book exercise which we have done right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, everybody? Rest all of you also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this is the next one. Sentences are to be framed by each student themselves, because everybody is good enough to make the sentences of their own choice. Okay, then this is the next one. Okay, and this is the last one. Taken, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Also, I will share these notes in the group also. The one who have not taken, they can take it from there. Okay, everybody? Done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, Rajesh, have you taken the screenshot? Bhavya, stop making faces. Okay? So the time is over now. It is the time for your next class. Okay? You all can wait till the next teacher joins you. Okay? Okay, beta. Thank you and have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, everybody. Bhavya.
Take care, ma'am. सब आर्यन वार्यन सबके बारे अभी बोला ना मैंने तो बैठा हूँ है तो था क्लास अभी नेक्स्ट मम्मा सच बताऊँ ना, आप भी जानते हो मैं हमेशा आपने उस दिन कल भी देखा था, मैं यूं बोरिंग से बैठा रहता हूँ।